First, you want to start with the braid down. I'm going in with my Gotta Be Ultra Glue gel and gelling my client's edges back. Then I'm going to take my blow dryer and dry that a little bit. Next, I take a thin layer of gel and put it across the front of her hairline. Next, you want to go in with a second layer. Now I'm taking the Gotta Be Freeze spray and spraying that onto the hairline as well. And once the gel is tacky, then we're ready to start with the wig. This hair is from Platinum Hair Illusions. It came in a 613 color. I custom colored the hair to reach a tone that will complement my client's skin tone. Tighten the adjustable straps and put the wig on. Then you're going to take your rat tail comb and lay down the center of the wig and then move on to the sides. Here I'm using the rat tail and the teeth of the comb to press down the lace. Next, you want to pull out the hair to create baby hairs. Then take a pair of scissors and cut the hair. Now I'm going to gel the baby hairs down with the Gotta Be glue gel. If anything begins to lift, you could just apply a little bit more gel to that area and lay it back down. Then I'll do the same thing on the other side. Next, you want to take a styling strip and tie the edges down for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm taking my client's foundation powder and lightly dabbing that onto the lace. Now we're just going to go through with the flat iron and straighten the wig. For the flyaways, you can take some edge control and lay them down. And that's about it, guys. Quick, easy blonde wig install. Thanks for watching.